Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My dear friends, I'm non-native speaker and I'm trying to speak English fluently and effortlessly. So I started this journey 1 year ago. At that time, I was unable to speak English. I knew everything about English, tenses, grammar, parts of speech, much more about English. But whenever I tried to speak English, I got stuck after speaking 2 or 3 sentences because I was translating in my head. Then I changed my mindset and then I started thinking in English. So I'm non-native speaker. The intention behind creating this channel is to help you, is to tell you that how can you speak English fluently and effortlessly. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon. Please support me, help me to spread my content. When you will like this video, when you will subscribe to it, the algorithm of YouTube will be sending my videos to more people. So please help me to grow my channel by subscribing to it. So let's get started. If you are non-native speaker and you are struggling to speak English, so here in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you master this skill. So English speaking is a skill. For learning any skill, you need to go for certain methods. Number one is taking input. Input is very important because English speaking is a productive skill, and for the production of anything we need input. So what is input? Listening and reading. Listening will improve your pronunciation and you will develop your accent. So if you are interested in British accent, start listening British native speakers. But if you are interested in American accent, just start listening Native American speakers. And please don't worry about the accent. Accent is not important. Pronunciation is very important. It is very crucial because when your pronunciation is good, you will be comprehensible. You will be able to convey your message and you will be able to understand native speakers. So don't feel embarrassed about accent. Accent is a secondary thing. We are non-native speakers. We have our own accent. English is not our mother tongue. So why are you getting worried about accent? Just start listening and start consuming. Means speak out. If you have nobody to speak with, just speak to yourself. Do self talk. Record yourself as I'm standing in front of you and I'm recording myself. And after recording this video, I'll be watching myself. I'll be listening myself. So you are the best judge of yourself. You can evaluate yourself. Don't listen others. And number two is don't feel the fear of making mistakes. Mistakes are natural. Whenever we learn any new skill, we make mistakes. So don't feel fear of making mistakes. Feel comfortable with your mistakes and you will feel a great difference. And the very important thing is your motivation. So if you are intrinsically motivated, no one can stop you becoming the best speaker, the best English speaker. So try to know your worth and identify your worth that you are the best and you can do it. Just stop doing negative self-talk. For example, some people say, they ask me a question that their English is very bad, their accent is horrible, their pronunciation is horrible, they cannot speak English. So this is negative self-talk. When you do this negative self-talk, your mind will be working accordingly. And furthermore, the law of attraction is always at work. When you what you think you become. So always think positively because positivity attracts positivity. Be a true and authentic person. Don't feel embarrassed. Just take courage to speak out. Just take input and produce. take input and produce, listen and speak, read and speak, and create English moments, create English environment. I'm not asking to visit some English speaking country. You can create all this in your home, at your comfort, at your home, in your drawing room. You can create all these things. I'm non-native speaker and I know I am making mistakes. Whenever we speak English, we make mistakes because English is not our mother tongue. So video is getting longer. I'm stopping here in this video by saying that you can do it. You are the best. So please subscribe and like my videos. Stay blessed.